was my dream, my wish.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about a topic called teens. Actually, it is about the mistakes parents make,
Seriously?
Seriously.
which holds back the teen from becoming more confident, resilient adults, and more stronger in future when it comes to their personal
Brutally strong.
personality. Yes. So let's dive in. Mistake number one is comparing children.
He gets very good grades.
It might be harmless for us, like when we are comparing, you're not like your brother. Why are you not like
Why can't you be more like Kahlua?
him? He's getting good grades. Why not you? This we do, right? Many of us we do that. Why you're not like your friend and all that. But you understand how much it hurts the teen's self-esteem and how much they
I feel sad.
go into the shell which they had already built up because of the pressure of validation we have already given to them, the society has given, the school given, parents are giving, and they step outside the home. So try not to compare your children with anyone. Try and compare your children with what they were yesterday. Right? Like yesterday you could run in 5 minutes, 1 kilometer. Oh wow, today you're running 1.5 kilometers, 2 kilometers. Wow, your speed has increased that way. You were able to score yesterday in the last exam 70%. This time you scored 75%. Why not that? You can do that, right?
Oh, of course. Yes.
And remember, your teen's journey is their own. Support them as they discover their own path and watch their progress and confidence, how it grows day by day. It should not go downwards, it should always go upwards. Try to do that. And as parents, we can do that. And we are the only people who can do that. Don't be a superhero. Avoid overprotecting children. This is the second biggest mistake parents of today's generation are doing.
Seriously?
You cannot do it, I will do it. I will do it. Come, I'll do it. You don't do it, it's okay. Don't break your head on this. No.
Look, it's Turbo Man and Booster.
Actually, you're making their confidence go down day by day by day. Try not to do that. And it is always natural for a parent to shield your teen and your kids from challenges and from disappointment. If he's not able to do, he'll get disappointed.
I'm coming, Billy!
I don't want to make him face that. No. Today, if you're not allowing your child to face that disappointment, tomorrow he will face it in a big way. See, none of us have come to this stage without failing in our life, right? We have solved many problems. We have solved many life skills. We have done many things in our life. That's why today we are here. And teens need these opportunities to face the obstacles and come out of this because they need to build that resilience. Yes, I can do that. And that confidence. Yes, that power of I can do it. That should be built only by themselves.
Because we were overprotective.
Yes, I can do it. Yes.
Remember, your role isn't to improve their hurdle or make the challenges easy. No. But to help your teen learn how to overcome their challenges by giving your ideas what you have learned. Maybe you can do this way, you can do this way. Try that way. But do not completely erase the obstacle from their life. No. Because today you will do it, tomorrow the world will not do it.
I am lost.
Every child has got only parents as support pillar. The world is not the supporting pillar for them. The child has to go out, the child has to go start earning, working, studying. Once in a life, the child will go out and the child will be totally lost if we support too much to them now. Mistake number 3 is nitpicking every small mistake what a child makes, what a teenager makes. As parents know, we have the habit of, you're not doing this, don't do this, you're not doing this.
Make no mistake about that.
This is not the right way. So this happens and the child loses the confidence level. The child thinks, I'm not good.
Your parents! My parents!
Get this. Maybe I cannot do it. So maybe let my parents do it, let my brother do it, or let someone else do it. So they lose that confidence in themselves. And
I'm not good enough. or anything.
When they try getting that mindset of I'm not good at lasting self-confidence, growth mindset, all that. What parents have to do is encourage our teen to learn from their mistakes
Everybody makes mistakes.
rather than feeling ashamed of what they've done. See, this is what I have also done. You can give an example. You know what? I did all those things when I was young, like you. Sure, tell them the stories what you had done in your young age. So that will reassure, give a kind of it's okay. We all learn from mistakes, and they are more confident to make mistakes in future also. And they'll be ready to tell you what mistakes they have done. So that builds up again an open communication between parent and the child. And remember, mistakes are the stepping stones for growth.
Well, so you know.
Mistake number 4 is controlling every decision the child makes. See, remember when the child is young, we are choosing the dress, we are making their wardrobe ready, we are making them eat whatever they want. But as they grow up, as they are reaching the teenage, give them the power of decision, a little small, with a small decision making power. This will actually encourage them to solve problems in future also. So for every time there is a problem, they'll not look
Mom, where are you?
out for you. They will try on their own to solve the issues. So this is very, very important for future problem solving, decision making, growth, everything. When let's arrange for a party, or let's plan out for something for your friends. Do you want to gift something for your friend? What is your idea about it? What do you think? So give them that power, and that decision power will encourage them to understand that they have the capacity to take decisions that we can trust upon. So this will
Cindy. How do you think these look, Mom?
Isn't she cute?
Oh, she's so cute.
make them more confident, independent thinker in future. And understand one important, very important thing is like confident teens are built by parents who trust them to make decisions and learn from their mistakes and success. So they have the stories to tell. Mistake number 5 is not letting your teens see your low confidence. That is not letting them see when you're in a very pathetic condition, vulnerable condition. That is the biggest mistake parents are making nowadays. They always want to portray themselves as superheroes, that they are never upset.
My father was a hard-working man most of his life. Not that I can say the same for myself.
They're always happy, chirpy. They're always happy with the situation, society. There's no work pressure or nothing like that. But that is not the truth. Please understand, sometimes we need to show them the reality. This is what I am facing outside. So
That's a serious issue.
child goes outside, the child will not get lost. My dad never faced these kinds of challenges. I have never seen. Then you understand, oh my,
You never told me about that?
Yes, your father worked very hard.
this is what the child should not have it in future. So for that reason, you need to make child understand from now itself that this is the world, this is what I'm facing, this is what I am feeling. So remember, this might come to you also. Be prepared for this. Be confident to face these kinds of challenges. Show them the realistic world to them. Also face this, so they will understand how my dad came out of it, how my mother faced it, how she took it as a challenge. She's out of those problems. So you are going to become a role model for them, from down to going upward.
Parents, am I right?
So here you have it, 5 mistakes what parents make, and outcome of which is that we have low esteem, low confident kids. So try not to make these mistakes so that you have a very confident, self-resilient, self-assured, self-determined and ready to face the challenge of the world outside. child in front of you. So for these, follow these steps. In case you want me to add any of this, or I have missed any of the points you think I need to add, please give me in comment box what I should add to it, and what challenges you have faced it as raising your confident teens. Please mention that also in the comments. And please understand, parenting isn't only about being perfect. It's about being present, supportive, and willing to grow alongside your child. None of us are born as parents. We all grow as parents. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching, and do take care of yourself and your health and your teens, your kids. Love you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.